In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently import a list of customers into your sales system. This process is straightforward, and by following these steps, you'll ensure that your customer database is up to date without any hassle. Let's dive in and unlock the full potential of your sales management tool. First, from your main dashboard, navigate to the sales section and select customers. This is your hub for everything related to customer management, where you can view existing customer details, add new ones, and of course, import large batches to save time and effort. It's important to have access to this section because it's the primary gateway to managing customer interactions and information. Next, you'll want to proceed with the Import Customers function. You'll find this option clearly displayed, usually at the top of the customer page. Clicking this option begins the import process. Importing is a crucial feature when you have data stored in external documents like spreadsheets, probably a CSV file in this case, that needs to be transferred to your system, allowing for streamlined operations. Now comes the uploading of your CSV file. At this step, you'll be prompted to select the file from your computer. Be sure that your file is in the correct CSV format. This typically includes columns for relevant customer information, such as names, contact details, and any other specific data fields your operation requires. Ensuring that your CSV is well organized makes the following steps smoother and prevents any hiccups in the importing process. With your file uploaded, you will move on to mapping the fields. Field mapping is where you match the columns in your CSV file to the corresponding fields in your database. This is a critical stage because accurate field mapping guarantees that the system knows exactly which data from your CSV file corresponds to the fields in your database. If your CSV has a column titled email, for instance, you'll map it to the email field in your database. It's advisable to double-check each mapping to avoid misplacing information, which could lead to errors in customer records. After you have carefully mapped the fields, it's time to confirm the import. Review all the information in front of you to ensure accuracy. Once you're satisfied, proceed with confirming the import. The system will begin the process, transferring your data into the database. Depending on the size of your file, this may take a few moments. Once completed, you should receive a notification stating the import was successful and potentially highlighting the number of records added. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've effectively imported your customer data, ensuring your database is updated and reflective of all your current customer information. This process not only saves time, but also enhances the way you manage customer interactions, providing a solid foundation for advancing your sales strategies. Thanks for watching, and happy data importing.